Everyone, myself D. Ranit, a second year BSc Agriculture student from J batch of PJTAU. ID number CARA 2024-294. As a part of the agronomy subject under crop production technology 1 Kharif crops, I have raised the Proso millet crop in our field plots under the guidance of our respected course in charge Dr. G. Nagendra sir. So coming to the description and cultivation details of this Proso millet crop, first one is the introduction. Common name of this Proso millet is broom corn millet or hog millet. And the botanical name is Panicum miliaceum, and chromosome number is 2n is equals to 36, and it belongs to its origin is Central and Eastern Asia, and it is a short duration crop about 65 to 90 days, which is a drought tolerant crop, and it is widely cultivated in parts of India including Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Bihar and Uttar Pradesh, and this is mainly cultivated for food and fodder purpose, and it plays an important role in agriculture and food security. And it is also popularly known as a drought resistant nutritious millet crop, and the total water requirement of this crop is about 250 to 350 mm, which is the lowest water requirement among all cereals. Coming to the climate of this crop, best suited for warm and semi-arid climates, and optimum temperature is about 25 to 35 degrees centigrade. And coming to the soil of this Proso millet, it is performs well in sandy loamy to loam soils with good drainage, and optimum pH is 5.5 to 7.5, and avoid waterlogged conditions. And coming to the season, suitable season, Kharif crop it is June to July with onset of monsoon, and Rabi or late season crop it is September to October. Summer or Zaid crop it is from March to May in irrigated areas. And coming to the land preparation, 2 to 4 ploughings followed by harrowing to obtain the fine tilth and remove the weeds and crop residues, and also prepare ridges and furrows where the rainfall is high. And the improved varieties under this Proso millet crop is CO4 and CO5, and GPUP 8 and GPUP 21, and TNAU 145 and 151, and Sagar, Nagarjuna. These are the recommended varieties which include under this Proso millet crop. And coming to the seed rate and spacing, generally we follow two methods for this Proso millet crop. That is, first one is a line sowing. In line sowing we obtain the seed rate of 8 to 10 kg per hectare, and for broadcasting we obtain the seed rate of 12 to 15 kg per hectare. And the spacing which we follow in Proso millet crop is 25 into 10 centimeters, and the sowing depth for this crop is 2 to 4 centimeters, and mainly prefer line sowing for better intercultural operations in this crop. And coming to the seed treatment, generally the seeds are treated with propiconazole at the rate of 1 ml per kg seed, and carbendazim or thiram at the rate of 2 to 3 grams per seed. And let us coming to the biofertilizer treatment, that is we have to treat the seeds with azospirillum at the rate of 600 grams per kg seed, which improves the growth. Coming to the nutrient management, apply FIM and compost 5 tons per hectare before sowing the seed, and apply phosphorus, full phosphorus and potash plus half nitrogen as a basal application, and remaining nitrogen should be applied at tillering stage. And the recommended fertilizer dose for this crop is 40 to 20 to 20 NPK kg per hectare. Irrigation management, generally it usually grows under rain-fed conditions, and it is a summer crop which requires 2 to 4 irrigations. And the critical stages for irrigation for this crop is first one is tillering, second one is flowering, and third one is grain filling. And as we see, these are the tillers and these are the panicles. And for this crop we have to take the length and width of these 3 leaves, that is the top leaf, middle leaf and bottom leaf, because we have to calculate the average for all these 3 leaves.
Okay, thank you Ranit. Hello everyone, my name is Ritesh, CARA 2024-295, J batch from College of Agriculture, Rajendra Nagar. So I will be covering weed management, pest and disease management and harvesting. So coming to weed management, the first stage will 20 to 25 days after sowing. Next second stage is 30 to 35 days after sowing. Coming to pest and disease management, they are the major pests, shoot fly and smut. To control this, seed treatment and timely sowing. To control disease management, use resistant varieties and treat the seeds up before sowing. Spray fungicide if several indices occurs. Coming to harvesting, crop matures when 65 to 95 days depending on varieties. Next, harvest when grain turns into hard and panicle turns into star colored. Dry throw before threshing. Now coming to the expected yield, grain yield 15 to 25 quintals per hectare, and fodder yield 40 to 60 quintals per hectare under good management. Thank you.